Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to crochet the yarn front single crochet. So this is a version of single crochet which provides you with a real nice stretchy fabric. So it would be suitable for making a headband or maybe even a hat or a beanie. And it's a little different. And I'm going to demonstrate this really slowly. You can use this for any single crochet pattern, so it doesn't matter about the number of chains. I've got a small sample here, and you can see it gives you a slightly diagonal stitch with a bar across the top. So there's a bar here, and we'll see how that's made in the stitch. So hold your crochet hook in the normal way. And what you're going to do, instead of single crocheting with the yarn to the back in a normal way, like so, you're going to bring your yarn forward to the front of your work, insert your hook in the normal way, and this is where it gets a bit tricky. You're going to hook your yarn and bring the yarn up. And then you're going to complete your single crochet in the usual way. That one's a bit loose. I'm just going to do that again. So bring your yarn forward. And that's where the tendency is for this loop to get loose. So make sure when you bring it forward, you're not affecting this tension here. Then insert your hook in the normal way for the whole stitch. Bring your yarn back to the back of the work, catch the yarn. Now you could do a full yarn over if you wanted to, but I have found it easier just to catch your yarn with the hook, leave this bar that I mentioned before across the front of your new stitch, yarn over and pull through. So yarn forward, making sure that this this loop on your hook doesn't get loose. Insert your hook, pull your yarn back, capture it rather than yarn over, pull through. Do a few more. So yarn forward, keeping the tension, insert your hook, yarn back, capture your loop, got 2 on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn forward. So this is where it depends how you hold your yarn in your left hand, how you're going to keep that tension right. It gets easier the more you do. It's not the fastest stitch in the world, but it does give a different effect. So this is called the yarn front single crochet. Now, once you get used to this, bringing the yarn forward is not super necessary, because you can just tuck your hook behind your yarn. Then your tension tends to become more stable. But for the purposes of demonstrating, of course, my finger would be in the way of demonstrating. So bring your yarn forward, insert your hook, yarn back, hook up, yarn over through 2, yarn forward, insert, hook up. Now, this is where you can make a mistake. You bring your loop through here and you've ended up with 3 loops on the hook. You've got to actually tuck it right underneath that yarn forward to create that bar, then complete the stitch. I just demonstrate how you can get it wrong again. So we inserted our hook behind the yarn, captured it, but brought it up underneath. So you've got a real muddle here. So you want to go right underneath that front bar. I'll start that one again. So you only want to have 2 loops on the hook when you do the end of your single crochet. Yarn forward, insert your hook, pick up a loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn forward, pick up a loop, and I found that turning my work slightly to on the vertical really helps with speed when it comes to this stitch. So turning it slightly upwards means that you don't end up with 3 loops on the hook. Somehow that seemed to work for me when I learnt this stitch. So there we go. This, once again, is a yarn front single crochet, and it gives you this really nice pattern, single row repeat on both sides. Now, I really like the right side. This is technically the right side because you've got this line across here. Because it's stretchy, you probably would want to block this out with a hot iron over a damp cloth just to set your work, but it has got this nice stretch, so think about which project you're going to use it on. So there we go. That's our little crochet tutorial for today. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, then press the subscribe button and the bell to get notifications of upcoming videos. I look forward to speaking to you very soon. Have a great day and take care. Bye.